What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing something new, and I'm pretty sure that you guys are aware of these wigs that's going around social media, and these are the headband wigs. So I received this wig from a company called Niawigs, and they sent me over their Kinky straight 18-inch headband wig. Inside of that pretty box there was the hair, of course, and alongside of it was 4 different headbands which you can style with the wig, but it's an option. They just put it in there for accessory. So once I took that hair out of the packaging, you can see that the hair looks very thick and full, but I promise you it's very lightweight. So what I've noticed about these wigs is that they come with no lace, so you don't have to use any gels or glues. So if you are wondering how the cap construction of this wig is, it is the same as any other wig. So it comes with 4 cones, plus an adjustable strap at the back, and the headband which you wrap around and connect together. So I'm literally going to show you how you install a headband wig. It's pretty easy. So I'm just going to put this hair up and out of the way and show you how to connect it at the back. And also guys, my apologies for the lighting in this video. I don't know what was going on. So I'm 5'4" in height, and this is how an 18-inch wig will drop on me. You can just see how thick and flowy and full this wig is. As I was running my fingers through the hair, I wasn't getting no snags or snatches or any loose hair. So I'm just going to quickly go through the hair with my straightener just to get it a little bit straight. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to attempt is a side swoop with the hair coming down. And that is it. See how quick and easy that was? That's hairstyle number 1. Okay, so the second style is literally the same thing but with a swoop and a half up, half down. So with hairstyle number 3, I'm going to try it with a different headband, and for this style I'm just going to leave some hair out at the front and a high back ponytail. So with hairstyle number 4, I'm going to use the red headband, and with this hairstyle I'm just going to pull some little hairs out at the side and do a high bun. And with this hairstyle, listen, I was really feeling this one. I found this one really cute. Super quick and easy. I'm actually digging these headband wigs. No lie. And to achieve all of these hairstyles, it just takes